Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can download and set up WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. First of all, we need to go to our Play Store and then look for WhatsApp. So we'll type that in, WhatsApp Messenger. When we click on that app, we have ratings, reviews, and more information about the app, and then we can click on install. And now we can open it through the button here or go back to our home screen. Now we need to go to our menu and then WhatsApp pops up here. When we now click on it, we get greeted and we can select our language. English is just fine, so we click on further. Welcome to WhatsApp. Family, friends, and other people who use our service may have uploaded your number to WhatsApp. If so, they can see you in their contacts after you sign up. So we say agree and continue, and now we need to allow WhatsApp to send notifications. Sure. And now we need to put in our phone number. Connecting, is this number correct? Yes. Verify phone number. We say verify with an SMS. Sending code, and hopefully we verification completed. So we got our SMS and then it verified automatically. Contacts and media, to easily send messages and photos to friends and family. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, photos, and other media. Continue. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts. Sure, yes. And if you previously backed up to Google Drive and want to restore it, give WhatsApp permission to check your Google account for backups. No. And now we can type in our name. We can also put emojis behind it. And then when we click on our profile photo, we can say gallery, avatar, or camera. And when we choose the camera, we can take a picture of our beautiful gray background. Then we say that this photo is okay. And now we can crop it a bit and say done, and then this is our profile picture again. After we're done here, we can say next, create a passkey for secure and easy login. Create a passkey, or we can say skip. So I'm going to skip this one, and then we have our chats here, we have updates, and we have calls. When we click on these three little dots, we have the settings, and here we can go back to our account and edit that. So that's how you download and set up WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.